Good morning. Welcome to Maitri's Kitchen. So today we are going to do an all-time favorite dish for kids and also elders, which is called our akka noodles, which is also called egg noodles. The ingredients required to do our spicy yummy egg noodles is I've taken 3 cakes of akka noodles followed with sliced bell pepper, sliced onions, sliced carrots, shredded cabbage, 3 egg followed with little spring onion greens, finely chopped ginger and garlic along with all our spices, the freshly crushed pepper, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce followed with our tomato ketchup along with salt and oil. So these are the ingredients required to do our akka noodles, which is our egg noodles. So let us watch the step-by-step process. How do we do the cooking? First we need to cook the noodles. So I have taken a pot with water. I am adding that little amount of salt followed with 1 tablespoon of oil. Once we have added salt, followed with that I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil so that the noodles does not get sticky. So as the water is getting boiled, we are going to add the noodles cake. So always boil the noodles as per the instructions given in the cover and then take it out and strain it. Once the water is getting boiled, where we added our salt and 1 tablespoon of oil, now I am adding the akka noodles into it. So friends, the noodles is nicely cooked. I am just straining it. Strain the water completely and let us see next what is the process. And I have added 2 tablespoons of oil. I am adding the finely chopped garlic into it. Followed with that I am going to add finely chopped ginger julienne. Let it get tossed. I am going to add this thinly sliced onions. Onions I am going to add the finely sliced carrots. The carrots are cooked. You need to cook the vegetables only 80%, not fully. I am going to add the bell pepper. It's again which is thinly sliced. Just give a stir. Now I am going to add the shredded cabbage. You can find our vegetables is finally getting cooked. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar into it. It's already measured. Followed with 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Be cautious while adding the soya sauce. Some sauces will be very thick. Followed with 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. You can add the spice as per your requirement. If wanted, you can add 1 more spoon as well. So give a stir. Followed with that, we are going to add our spring onions. Now I am adding a very small number of spring onions white. Let it cook for a minute. Friends, you can find our vegetables are 80% cooked. So now I am going to give some space in the center. Just digging a well. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Keep the stove in the sim. I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Followed with it, I am going to break 3 eggs into the center. So friends, I am going to break 3 eggs into it. Added 3 eggs, I am going to add the freshly crushed pepper and keep the stove in high, and we need to cook the egg. We need to make the scrambled egg. So friends, you can find our egg is nicely scrambled. You can find it here. At this stage, I am going to add our cooked noodles into the pan. Noodles little by little. Since we have added the oil, it's not sticky. It's come out very well. You can find our egg noodles, which has come out very well. You can find all the vegetables are cooked well along with our noodles. At this stage, I am going to add the spring onion greens and off the stove and serve it hot. So friends, you can find our egg akka noodles is ready to be served hot. So please try this recipe. So watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye bye.